Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. We have here a 32 inches LED TV. The problem is no picture, but the backlight is okay. As you can see, the backlight is okay, but no display. But before I will show you how to fix it, let me give you some friendly reminder. If you're not a qualified electronics technician, please don't DIY, it may cause you an injury or totally damage to the unit. I already repaired this TV last year, dated October 9th, 2022, so it's been 7 months now. The previous problem of this TV is no display with good backlight. Same problem as what we are facing now. As you can see, I already cut gate lines left side of the LCD panel, CKV1 to CKVB2, to solve the previous problem. These are the gate lines right side. Let's focus in this area. Let's check each pair of gate lines for leak or short by measuring the resistance. These are the CKV1 and CKVB1. It's for mega ohms and it's normal. Next is CKV2 and its pair CKVB2. This resistance is not normal. It should be the same as the first pair. To fix this problem, we need to remove the short or leaks between the CKV2 and CKVB2 by short killing method. We need to cut CKV1 to CKVB2. After cutting the gate lines right side of the LCD panel, let's now apply short killing method. In short killing process, we need to connect a copper plate with a fine magnet wire and solder it to shorted gate lines. These serves as a contact plate for our short killer. I already soldered a magnetic wire in the shorted gate line CKV2 and CKVB2. Let's try first these power supply. These power supply has a maximum of 30 volts DC and a current maximum of 10 ampere. In short killing LCD panel, you should begin in lower voltages and current and increase it slowly. Now let's apply voltages in the copper plate.
Town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
My power supply is unable to remove the short between the gate lines, even though the voltages and current is set to the maximum output. Since my power supply is unable to fix the problem, it's time now to use my DIY short killer device.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
These devices intended only for short killing LCD panel. You can't use it as a power supply source. This device has a maximum voltages of 72 volts DC.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Let's start short killing at 25 volts DC. After applying voltages into the copper plate, let's check the short if it's still there. It's 261 ohms. Okay, let's increase the voltage until we successfully remove the short. Let's try at 45 volts DC. As you can see, the short now is gone. I successfully remove it at 45 volts DC. I successfully removed the short by using my DIY short killer. For panel repair, let me show you the maximum voltages of this device. By pressing the green button, the voltages increase. But if you want to lower the voltages, just press the red button. Here's now the maximum voltage output, it's 72 volts DC. But if I have time, I will modify it to increase the maximum voltage output to 100 volts DC. Let's measure again the resistance to show you that the short between the gate lines is totally removed. Let's remove now the magnetic wire and reconnect the gate lines. I already reconnect the gate lines. Now let's check again the resistance.
Show
CKV1 and CKVB1 is for 0.3 mega ohms. CKV2 and CKVB2 is for mega ohms. Let's power up the TV and measure some of the voltages in the DC-DC IC.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
The Vion is 31 volts DC and it's normal. I'm sure that other voltages are normal too. Let's check the screen if the display now is present. Here's now the display. I successfully fixed the TV. But if you notice, there's a one fine line remain in the screen. The picture now is okay, only a small fault remained in the screen. A one fine line, but this is acceptable, the owner now can watch TV. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell to update you if I have a new upload video.
Ayan, so bote na ano pa natin mga bro, bote nakuha pa sa short killer yung ano, yung ginawa natin dito. So bali yan, ayan yung ginawa natin. Short lang siya. So leak kanina yung CKV 2 at saka CKVB 2, buti natanggal naman. So pero ano pa to mga bro, i-observe ko pa to kasi baka mamaya bumalik. Meron kasi yung iba ganon, so panonoran pa natin to ng kahit isang oras. Tapos yung ano natin, yung DIY natin na short killer, meron din tong hindi natatanggal, lalo na yung malala yung pagka-short. Pero ano din, mas marami naman yung natatanggal niya kumpara natin dito sa ano natin, sa commercial or factory made na actually hindi naman to short killer talaga power supply yan. Pero sa ginawa natin ngayon, nanalo yung ating DIY. Pero hindi ibig sabihin ay hindi nyo na to kailangan. So, kailangan na gamit mga bro yung ating power supply, lalo na sa pagre-repair mga flat screen o to, ano pa, ibang electronics equipment. So na nagagamit siya. So yung ating DIY, pang ano lang yan, pang panel repair. Hindi siya pwedeng pang power supply. Talagang pang short killer lang sa mga panel repair. Pero ano pa to, babaguhin ko pa to mga bro. Balak ko pa tong patasin yung voltahe niya kahit na umabot siya ng 100. Kasi nga yung iba pag malala yung short, kulang pa. Problema ko lang yung kanyang voltmeter, yung display. Yung ginamit ko na dito, ano na to 120 volts. Pero pag tumaas pa yan ng 80 volts, wala na, palyado na yung kanyang display. Kaya maghahanap pa tayo ng voltmeter na stable yung kanyang reading. Tapos patasan natin to ng hanggang 100 volts. Kasi ito, ano lang 72. Pero ano naman siya, marami naman siyang natatanggal na short. So ngayon, bali i-observe pa natin tong TV na to. At pag okay na, saka ako sasarahan.